Hello, this is CyberDragon. Today I'm going to talk about PicMonkey.com. What it is a website that help you power your brand with photo editing and design. And it'll help you for your YouTube channels, help you create ads, logos, or YouTube thumbnails. And it's free. They offer a free trial. All you gotta do is log in. They can make your change the color of your background of your photo to make it more bright, higher depth quality, and you can post it on Facebook and Instagram. And they have cover images, style posts, and ads to boost engagement and followers, to increase your social media accounts on YouTube. They'll help you create thumbnails that's like eyeballing, catching, like make people the video looks good to watch, and it also help create logo for business cards, and you got plenty of graphics you can choose from, and they have fonts, photos, templates for days, 8,000 graphics and textures, over 100 fonts, 1,000 templates, millions of stock photos. And you can do banners, brand kit, Instagram posts, stock photos, collage, store, Instagram stories. And these are their customers. These are like companies that have used their brand to design their logo for their businesses. All you gotta do is get design. If you want to get design and photo editing tips, subscribe to their newsletter called Juicy Scoopy Newsletter, and just enter your email, subscribe, and they'll send you like every day they'll send you an email about, oh, what kind of new like photo design is it out in the market now, and they'll teach you how to use it. And they have a app on the iPhone and the Android, so you can download from Google Play Store. And they also have an affiliate program. See what their affiliate program talks about. They want to help businesses increase their brand and build their business with logos, business cards, social media posting, ads, email, visuals, website pages, cards, poster, presentation, and much more. Okay, if you join the affiliate program, if they purchase like a month subscription, even for $120, depends how much they charge, you get 30% commission for purchases, 15% commission for renewals, additional purchases from returning customer. Return customers get 15%. You get 15%. Okay, 45-day cookie means that if someone purchased later, you still get credit. They got even if they bought it one time and then 45 day within the 45-day later, like let's say they bought it today, then 45 within the next 45 days, they purchase again, you'll still get credit for about 15%. Why pick their affiliate program? They have a lot of new features, tools, and lots of stuff to get your followers jazzed. They got Pic Monkey basic annual for $72 per year. That's a no-brainer to take the plunge and accrue more in commissions. You have instant access to Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, which you can share about their business and get referrals. And if people buy, you'll get 30% for new customers, 15% for repeating customers. And it's simple to fill out. Username, password, country, password. And then you mostly will be PayPal or bank wire transfer or other money apps. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video so more people can earn money on PicMonkey.com and share the world. so everybody knows about this great program. And hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.